Integration errors on Papaya Global can be frustrating, but with a systematic approach, you can resolve them quickly. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issues. Step 1. Identify the error. Check the error message displayed on Papaya Global. Understanding the specific integration error will help you determine the root cause and the necessary steps to fix it. Step 2. Review integration settings. Log into your Papaya Global account and navigate to the integration settings. Ensure that all configurations, such as API keys and endpoints, are correctly set up according to the documentation provided. Step 3. Check data formats. Verify that the data being sent to or received from Papaya Global is in the correct format. Look for any discrepancies in data types, required fields, or file formats that may be causing the integration to fail. Step 4. Test connectivity. Perform a connectivity test between your system and Papaya Global. This can help identify any network issues or firewall restrictions that may be preventing successful integration. Step 5. Consult support resources. If the issue persists, consult Papaya Global as support resources or contact their customer support team. Provide them with detailed information about the error and the steps you have already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively address integration errors on Papaya Global. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.